Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I am going to explain the operators topics in Python in a simple and easy way. We will learn what an operator is, types of operators, understand arithmetic, relational and assignment operators with example programs. So let's get started. What are operators? Operators are symbols that tells Python to do something with values. We already talked about the variables in the previous video. In that variables assigns the values so that values are used in the operators. 5 is the operand and plus is the operator, 3 is the operand. Plus is an operator that adds the two numbers. 5 and 3 are operands here. In these operators, we have different types of operators. Types of operators in Python: arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, special operators. First of all, we talk about only three main operators in this video: arithmetic operators, relational operators, and assignment operators. First of all, arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operators are used to perform the mathematical calculation. Here we can see addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, floor division, modulus and power. These are under the arithmetic operations. We can we can also take the examples here. 5 plus 2 equals to 7, 5 minus 2 equals to 3, 5 into 2 equals to 10, 5 divided by 2 equals to 2.5, 5 floor division 2 is equals to 2, 5 modulus of 2 equals to 1, 2 power 3 equals to 8. Like this, these are the examples of arithmetic operations. Next, relational operators. Relational operators compare two values and returns true or false. Here only true or false is given by the relational operators. Here operators are equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. Next, assignment operators. In assignment operators, assign or update the values of variables. Here we can see equals to. Example 5 equal x equals to 5. Assign the value plus equals to x plus equals to 2. Here x equals to x plus 2. Minus equals to x minus equals to 2. Here x equals to x minus 2. Like this, assignment operator assigns the values to the variable. Let's see the examples for one by one. First of all, for arithmetic operations. Take the value of a equals to 5 and b equals to 6. Print addition, print addition a plus b. Next, print subtraction a minus b. Next, print multiplication a into b. Print division a divided by b. Print floor division print. We have two more: modulus a modulus b and print exponent. These are the arithmetic operators. Let's see output. Run. Oh, sorry. I forgot. It is showing. Can anyone guess what is error in this? Invalid syntax, forget comma. What division? Oh, I forgotten comma here. That's why it's showing error. Okay. Here we can see addition equals to 5 plus 6 equals to 11. A minus B equals to minus 1. Multiplication 6 into 5. 5 into 6 equals to 30. Division 0.833. Floor division. In this floor division, it only shows the main value, not the decimal value. Modulus is 5 and exponent is 15625. This is about the arithmetic operator. Next we can see the relational operators example. Only we can remove all these and we can change the we can changes we can change the program like this. Print. Wait. First of all, A is greater than B. Next, A is less than B. These are relational operators. A equals to B. Next, print A equals to print A is not equals to B. Next, A is greater than or equals to B. Next, A is less than or equals to B. Let's see output, how it runs. Run. Here we can see false, true. First one, A is greater than B. False. 5 is less than 6. So it give false. Next, A is less than B. So true. A equals to B. False. A not equals to B. True. A is greater than or equals to B. False. A is less than or equals to B. Here we can observe that it gives the true or false values only in relational operators. Next we can see assignment operators. Here in assignment operators we saw that x equals to, take one example, 6, and print initial value initial value equals to comma x. How it will print x equals to 6, and another one x plus equals to 5. How it will print print after plus equals to comma x. Here x plus equals to 5. It will convert into x equals to x plus 5. We assign x is equals to 6. So the output will be 11. Let's see what will get. Yes, correct. Here after plus equals to we get 11. Next x minus equals to 5. Then print after minus equals to. Then we will get what is the x value we will get after this? 6 minus 5, 1. So we'll get 1 as answer. So let's see. Sorry, here I forgot comma. 6 6 minus x equals to 6, right? 6 minus 5. Okay, we will get answer as 6. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.